Welcome to the Budget Kitchen with Barb, and I am Barb. Okay, friends, today we're going to make some, I'm calling it jacked up egg salad sandwich. So there are no measurements. It's you measure with your heart with this, okay? So however many eggs your family needs, however much mustard that you may like, if you do. We are also, what's making this a jacked up is we are adding cheese and bacon in it. Okay, I'm gonna break these eggs up. Okay, I had to transfer over to another dish bowl. This is really a pot, okay, because I don't have no bigger bowls except that one I was using. Okay, so I was able to get all my eggs smashed up. I specifically am using 12 eggs. What we're going to do, we're going to add us some Dijon mustard. Measure with your heart. And then some mayo. You know how much you usually use when you make your sandwiches. I'm going to tease it with some bacon. And then we're going to go in with some sharp cheddar cheese or cheese of your liking. However much you want. Okay, now we are going to get this mixed up. Now let's get some seasoning in it. I'm going to put some pepper. That's good. Onion powder. And salt. Okay, that looks good. And we're going to give it a stir. Okay, friends, and this is what it looks like. I made a sandwich. Let's taste it. That's definitely a good one. Yes, I love it. Okay. So I want to know what spices do you put in your egg salad sandwich? Okay. So these are the main ones: the bacon, the mustard, the mayo, the cheddar, and the eggs. But with seasonings, tell me which ones, comment below, what seasoning do you like to use in your egg salad sandwiches? Okay, friends, if you liked the video, please give me a thumbs up. And if you want to see more budget-friendly videos, please subscribe. And most of all, friends, keep cooking, and I love you all.